YouTube processes over 3 billion searches in a month, which makes it the second largest search engine and the third most visited website worldwide after Google and Facebook. Over 1 billion people visit YouTube each and every month, which is why anyone in business should consider including it in their marketing strategies or campaign. While there are wide ranges benefits that come about when marketing through YouTube, there are 3 big benefits of using YouTube for your business. It helps increase your rank in Google's search engines. YouTube videos include a link to the business website in its description. One of the greatest features of YouTube video is, when someone is viewing, there are many chances they will visit the main site if the video impresses them. This ultimately leads to higher ranks on Google search engines, and the good thing about it is that it's not costly. You can upload many videos as you want, for absolutely no cost, and there is no need to make a professional advert. All you need to use is a handheld camera and the editing tools available through YouTube. It gives you a chance to grow your audience worldwide. Your YouTube video has the potential to be seen by millions of people around the world. One characteristic of a video is that you can be able to capture an attention in a few seconds a visitor clicks on them, especially if it's engaging and entertaining. So, when compared to written content, you are more likely to get a higher percentage of an audience and more click-through rates. Center. The brilliant combination of video sharing features with YouTube also create an opportunity for audience engagement, which means your audience promotes you while they still buy from you, which improves your business or brand exposure. It allows you to build your own email list. If you want to create an enormous number of email subscribers for your business, you can use YouTube for absolutely no cost. There is a free software that allows you to embed a sign-in directly into the YouTube video. A video can be temporarily stopped until they enter their email, which builds your email list in a matchless way. Many at times, business owners feel that there are fewer chances of email subscription, but statistics shows that if someone watches at least 2 to 4 your YouTube channels, they are more likely to subscribe, which is far much better as compared to any subscription you can get from your site. As you can see, YouTube is no doubt a viable platform that can help grow your business in an unimaginable way. If you invest some of your time to learn the main features and components of this platform, it will for sure show itself to be a worthwhile addition to your business.